Today we're doing a fitment for a 2022 Mercedes GLC 300. This vehicle does not have the AMG package. That would change the fitment a little bit on this. And this is the front of the vehicle. And there's the screw you're going to take out with the 8mm socket.
Okay, so this is the base plate. Now normally this would be 3M tape because we're just doing a demo. We have to take it back off. We're using foam tape. But you're going to remove the film from the tape. You're going to put the screw through the base. Spacer on top. Stainless steel washer, and then we're going to go to the vehicle and put it where we just removed the factory screw.
Okay, quit.
Okay, now you're going to take this assembly, put it where the factory screw is removed, holding it as square as possible while you're starting to tighten it up. Grab your 8mm socket and begin tightening. And before you get too tight, you're going to take your front plate and you're going to slide it into position. Make sure that everything's nice and centered here before you can also have a second person help you. Make sure that that's nice and centered, and then you're going to go back down and finish tightening it up. And it's going to a metal J-clip, so you can give it a pretty good tighten there, and then you just want to come back and verify that it's still centered. It looks pretty good there. You can see it's pretty solid. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.